I love these cars, but then again, who wouldn't? This is 1.5 turbo Honda Civic. This is a pretty damn unique car. Brian is my name. If there's any information you want on this particular car, give me a shout. 086 843 1945. Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare Town. We do brands like Honda, Hyundai, Mercedes, family run business, in operation for almost 70 years. So this is a damn cool car. This is as nice as they get in Honda Civic. 1.5 turbo, 180 horsepower. These are a plough to go up the road. They're great crack to drive. Any of our customers that have them, the satisfaction rates are through the roof. People love them. They're interesting. When you pull into a petrol station, people look at you because it's so different. They're going, what is that car that you're driving? It's unusual. It really, really catches your eye. They've got really nice levels of specification and it's fun. It's actually a 180 horsepower petrol turbo car. Hondas used to do years ago what's called these VTEC BTIs and all that kind of stuff. And the nice thing about them was they looked a little bit different than a normal one. Not too much, but you knew there was something special going on. But they were serious fun to drive, but they're not stupid when it comes to insurance costs and running costs. Like that car there is €280 a year for road tax, and I mean genuinely, and I've had these over the last couple of years on the fleet now, driving them on holidays and all that kind of stuff. They do 6 litres per 100 kilometres, which is about 45 miles per gallon. For 180 horsepower petrol, that is serious going. So at the front of the car, what I really like about the car is LED indicators, LED tip lights, LED full lights, LED fog lights, just give it that nice upmarket look. And the headlights also, they dip when you meet traffic, they dip, and when you go into unlit area they go full as well. This one's really, really cool because I like the way the black grille is there always, but it has these little skirts along the front as a 1.5, so the normal ones don't have that skirt. This 1.5 does, but in black it all comes together really well. The wheels are a nice diamond cut, so they're shiny and reflective, and all the way down the side of the car there's a wee skirt down there, which again just makes it look sportier and lower to the ground. Down around the back there's also a skirt in through there, and as you saw at the start of the video, then we have this functioning exhaust setup, and it's not too loud. It just makes a nice little hum, so you know there's something special going on. Parking sensors are standard at the back of the car. It has a nice LED tail light in through there. Parking sensors are standard on the front. Rear windows are privacy in through there. There's a spoiler that actually actively puts air all the way down there, so it's a nice way of getting air off the back of the car in the most aerodynamic way possible. And actually, one significant thing in the roof is the car has a fully functional panoramic roof, so it makes the interior of the car nice and bright overall. So I think that is one of the nicest, most unique looking cars on the market. Really, really head turning, and this one is brand spanking new. But as I was saying to you, this one's a little bit different than normal because it has, check out that interior, only one in the country for sale right now, with that beige leather interior. Black and beige is one of the most popular combinations we see, so it makes what is normally a black interior much, much brighter, and especially with that roof. So this car is in stock. It is available to buy straight away. But the interior is so damn nice. It's such a luxurious kind of place to be now. The boot actually on these Civics as well is mental. It's like, it's so big. Like, look how much access you have. And actually, if I move this out of the way, like, look how easy it is to get stuff in and out of the car. I know it's something you take for granted, but my God, like, that is a serious amount of space. This is a medium-sized hatchback car, but that has an enviable amount of space. After that, then grab handle here, nice kind of LED style license plate light, which brightens up the number plate when it's on the car. So as you were saying, that interior is so nice and it's classy. Lumbar support is standard on the back part of the seat. The passenger also gets the same treatment because the GT, it's got start stop button in through here. This one will have adaptive dampers, so you can actually even stiffen the suspension settings if you want a more aggressive drive pattern. Cruise control is in through here. Bluetooth is in through there. Your cruise control has a number of nice features, i.e. cruise control, so you can set your speed, take your foot off the pedal, but what you can also do is lock onto the car in front and it'll follow the car in front. And then what you can also do is you can set your lane change warning to warn you if you drift out of lane, or you can have your lane keep assist, which is actually going to actively try and keep you within the lane. All the safety features you'd expect: anti-lock brakes, emergency brake distribution, emergency brake assist, airbags front, side, rear, curtain, all that kind of stuff. All those doors have side impact protection bars in them. All that kind of stuff is there. So great passive and active safety. Other cool things are, in here you have wireless charging, handbrake which is automated. We have our climate control with heated seats also. When you have leather, like, okay, well, you don't have to, but I think it is imperative that you have heated seats, because you get into the car, yes, the leather is cold in the morning, so you do want to have the luxury of having your seat warm when you get into the car. That leather is the exact same pattern as what comes from the factory, but if you look around, there ain't any of them for sale with that sort of a setup at the moment. That screen into the centre, just not set up because the car is brand spanking new, but we will set it up before someone buys it. Garmin navigation, smartphone connection, i.e. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So basically, if you have an Android phone, you can put all your Android screen up there, or if you have an Apple phone, you can put your Apple screen up there as well. So basically, it becomes basically like using your phone, things like Spotify and WhatsApp and all that kind of stuff as well. Again, I'm probably running through the car a little bit quickly in terms of specification. I can give you much more detailed. If you text or WhatsApp me, 086-843-1945, I can send you a more detailed video on the GT. This is just to highlight this particular damn cool car that's in stock at the moment, with that really nice leather interior and that really cool exterior, black LEDs, exhaust that actually works, 180 horsepower, happy days. We can take any trade-in you have and we can offer you finance. So the warranty is 3 years, the roadside assist is 3 years. If there's any information you'd like in this particular car, please do give me a call, 086-843-1945. Come on, that's such a cool looking car, isn't it? Really though. But yeah, if you want information on the car, no matter where you are in the country, even before you travel, if you're wondering, right, look, how is all this going to work in terms of figures? I want to know if it's kind of within my bounds. And these are not an expensive car for what you're getting. You go spec a car, like a Golf or a Focus or something like that with what's on this car. Good luck, seriously. This is better value overall every day of the week. And it looks cool. And you know what's nice about Hondas? It's something different. It's something different. You're going to drive up the road and you're not going to be bumping into some other man or woman that's got the exact same car as you. So it's different, it's cool. Anyway, hopefully this car is of interest. Thank you for taking time to watch. Brian is my name, Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare Town.